How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel. And before I get started, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my new subscribers, all my old subscribers. And if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. But with that being said, this is part 3 of my buddy build with old Chris Cortell. CP 101, Classic Plastic 101. Matter of fact, I'll put his shop card right there. And these are the IMC 48 Ford Coupes that we're building together. These are vintage kits. And he's doing a rum runner out of his. And I'm just doing an old school 50s hot rod. And I did the red Oxide Primer. And let me get that primer out here so I can show you if I can find it here. What did I do with it? I'm on wobbly mode because I don't have something to hold. Okay, this is what it is. It's Duplicolor red Oxide Primer. Right there, red Oxide Primer. That's that color right there, guys. Got the red wheels. I painted the white walls on there, as you can see. Those are the kit white walls, the kit wheels. I've drilled out right there where the chrome would have been. Get something to point here. Right there where the chrome would have been. And I did the chrome delete. I still got a lot of parts to put on this, and the body's not even glued down on it. And you can see the car. Whoop! I think my light's falling here, guys. I'm gonna have to pause this and fix it. Alright, that was almost a disaster. I had to get a little light in here, and it just about fell on the model. That wouldn't have been good. Okay, so what I say in here is what I've gotten done so far. I've got the pinstriping, some decals done on it, some old school decals. You can see right there, pinstriping. I've got the motor done. You can see the 2 deuce carbs. Got it wired up. See down in there. And one bad thing about this kit, this firewall and that cowl, you got a big old gap in it if you ever do this kit. Let's see here. These are my doors. Still got to put the door handles on it. I did the chrome around it. I got the interior painted and the carpet at the edge of it flocked. I got my hood done here. I don't know if you can see that. Got the pinstriping on it. Got the holes in the hood. Back seat. Here's a little quarter. There's the steering wheel. Here's the dash. I got the little Maltese cross. Got the pinstriping on it. Got a wash on it. Let's see, this body will lift off right here. You can see I got the rubber mat. And I got the pedals. Turn this thing over here. Alright, this is the bottom end of it. Got dual exhaust. I've lowered that front end down. So, this is pretty much all I've gotten done. It's not going to take much to finish it up. But, there it is. It's part 3 of me and Chris's buddy build. And of course everybody knows who Chris is, but if you don't by some chance, get on over to his site, Subscribe to him. He's a good guy. He builds everything, not just cars, everything. Alright, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.